Hi lovelies, and welcome back to yet another food haul. In today's video we have gone to two stores and we will be getting to all of this food and just the breakdown of everything. As usual, the prices will be on the screen, but before we get into today's video, let us get a quick word from today's sponsor. Hello guys, and welcome back to yet another vlog. This will most likely be our first monthly shopping in this place. So you guys, you are welcome. We just came back from church and the wind that was blowing today, it was even lifting our lashes, and it was so bad. It was so windy today. Quickly to the haul. We have gone to two places for this month's shopping. We have some things that we bought like along the way, but this is like the first time we are buying things like this much. So we've been to Farm Foods and we've also been to an African store. If you're new here, please do well to join the family. We do this once every month. Hopefully this will become a monthly thing because this has to be the way of life in this our village. But anyway, you guys, let's get on with today's haul. Alright, so first off, we bought this Abuja bread at the African store, and we also got 2 loaves of bread for breakfast for the boys. I picked up some oats hobnobs for the boys and myself, mostly for myself to snack, so I'm going to just hide this after this haul. So I got 2 of these, and my husband picked up ice creams. Personally, I can go without this thing, but my husband and the boys, they seem to love it, so I have 2 packs of that for ice creams. I got 2 things of sunflower oil. The prices will be on the screen, you guys, as always. And we also got a huge tub of Heinz ketchup for the boys to have with their chips. This is a staple in our house at this point. My favorite mayonnaise in the UK right now, this is the Hellmann's mayonnaise. This one has all the fat and everything in it. And I also got 2 cans of coconut milk. This is something that we've recently fallen in love with in this house, coconut rice. So I also want to try coconut chicken this month, so I bought 2 cans of that, and I also have 1 left in the house. I got some chicken bouillons for the boys to have with their chips. So this is basically like the chicken nuggets that you get at KFC. So these ones are going straight into the pack. I got the combo. So this goes 3 for, it was about 3 for £12 or so at Farm Foods. I also got a huge thing of honey for the boys. So I make this natural remedy of honey, ginger and lemon, and I need that for the recipe. And this is something that I found at Farm Foods it's kind of a first for me, really. I have never seen okra at Farm Foods before, but I saw this in the freezer section and I just grabbed 2 of that. This will be perfect for storage because I never make all the okra I buy in bulk at the African store, so I bought these 2 to put in the freezer. You guys should check your Farm Foods if you have that. I got this corn. Initially, today is Sunday and I was going to make roasted corn with that, but it's too late for that right now. I can't even be bothered. Got this peanut from the African store. Also picked up some salt. I need to restock. And I got this much sardine because the boys absolutely love sardine sandwiches. It's really good for after soccer and after school. Also breakfast item as well. So we got this Ribena as well. We have some leftover, but this is just going into stock. I picked up some condensed milk because there's this recipe I've been meaning to try with lemon and condensed milk. You guys should look out for that recipe. Also picked up a giant jar of chocolate spread for breakfast and things. We have 2 bags of apples here. These are the red apples. We bought these 2 at Farm Foods. We also have some Munchables for the boys. So this is like for one of them takes snacks to school, and then we just have the rest to snack on later on. Picked up some white fish, and this is just to augment with the chicken that we are getting this month. I wasn't able to get Alaro or Titus. I wasn't able to get the mackerel at the African store, so I bought this at Farm Foods. And this was on combo. This is something I usually get anytime I go into farm food, to 3 packs of their drumsticks. This one has gone up by a few pounds, so it was about £3. 3 packs of this was about, I think it was about £16 or so. Yeah, so this will last a long while, and it's a really good size. The chicken is a really good size. Yes, this is also something I get in a combo whenever I go to farm foods. It's their chips, and I got 4 packs. So now this used to be 2 for £5, but now it has gone up. It has gone up now. It's about 6 point something right now. So I got 4 of that. So it's like £12 for the chips alone. This is something I picked up at Farm Foods. They were selling this. This was on sale, and it's just vitamin C serum. So this is for skincare. I also picked up some rodo at the African food market. You see this pepper? I'm doubting it. It doesn't look spicy, and it's very sad that even rodo has been corrupted. I don't get it. Why will you water down rodo? What's the essence of life if we're not eating pepper? Anyway, I bought what I saw at the African food market, even though I know it's not going to be spicy. There's only one vendor that I know that sells spicy rodo, and I might just be shipping from her because I don't understand all these pepperless rodos. So we got this fresh eggs, and this two is £4. I got 2 of that for £4. I picked up this bag of egg. This is 2 kg, and it's about £11 for this fish. I also got the shrimps, and this usually lasts us for about 3 months. So these are the uncooked ones you get at Farm Foods. Alright, this is one of the bargains of today. Please ignore all the dirty dishes. I'm just trying to look for the right angle for you guys. So we have all of this plantain, all of this for £5, you guys. All of this for £5. It was such a bargain at the African food store. I also picked up some crayfish. I took 2 packs of this because I want to blend one and keep the other one whole for vegetable and things like that. But I might just end up blending the both of them, because what's the point of all this small crayfish when you really can't find it in the soup? So I might just blend it up and, you know, just conserve that over time. And then I got this pizzas. I got 3 of them. It came 3 in a combo, so it was 3 for £10. So I got 1 box of the salami, gran gusto, and the prosciutto and mozzarella. I got 2 of the prosciutto and mozzarella pizzas. This is just going to save me on those lazy nights when I don't want to cook. And then we also got some yams. Picked this up at the African food store. It's not a big size really, it's a really small size, but it's yam nonetheless. So you guys, that is everything we got for this haul. Alright, so I just went ahead and I put everything in its place, and this is all the plantain that we got. You guys, it was 14 pieces in all, and we just had to dig into it that night. So I think I fried up about 4 or 5, and that was what we had for dinner. The boys had chips, and my husband and I just had to taste this egg, and it was so good, you guys. So I made some fresh sauce, and that was what I just put the fish in, and that was what we had for dinner. It was lovely. It was delicious, you guys. How do you like your plantain? Do you like it boiled, fried, or steamed? I think I'll take it anyway, you guys. So I went ahead to have mine with a little pasta, while my husband had is just plantain, and that was what we had for dinner. But before we go today, guys, this section of the video has been sponsored by Topzoe, and they have sent us this lovely Dior bag. This is the Lady Dior bag, the gorgeous red Dior bag that I absolutely love. It is so spacious. It has such a big pocket in the middle, and it takes a lot of things. I personally love to take this to church because it takes my Bible and my notebook. It also has a small compartment for your card and, you know, things that you don't want flying around anyway. It has a cover that, you know, just keeps all your items hidden. Has a long strap, also is great for carrying as a crossbody bag. I absolutely love this bag. It looks a lot darker in person, so don't be fooled by what it looks like in contrast to what you're seeing on the screen. You guys, the link to their website will be in the description box. I will also be leaving my discount code that they have been so gracious enough to give to my subscribers. Lucky, and you use that to get 17% discount on your purchases on their website. It is such an amazing deal, you guys. Go on their website, you know what to do, and let's get on with the rest of the video. I intend to write a list tonight. I'll just send it to my husband so that he can just help us get the rest tomorrow, and hopefully we are stocked up for the month. Yes, you guys, that is it for this vlog. If you found anything of value in it, please do want to give me a huge thumbs up. It does a lot to help my analytics and also get other people to see this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.